In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit a map in PowerPoint. By the end, you'll know exactly how to update the data behind a map so your slide tells the right story with clear, accurate visuals. First, open PowerPoint on your computer. Look for the PowerPoint icon in your Applications folder, taskbar, or on the desktop and launch it. Give it a moment to load so everything is ready to go. Next, open the presentation you want to work with, the one that already contains your slides. If you recently worked on it, you'll likely find it in the recent list. Otherwise, browse to the file location and open it like you normally would. Now, navigate to the slide that contains the map you want to edit. This might be a world map, a country map, or a custom map you added earlier. Take a moment to confirm you're on the correct slide so your changes apply to the right visual. Click directly on the map to select it. You'll know it's selected when you see handles or a border around the map object. If you don't see those, try clicking once more to make sure PowerPoint recognizes your selection. With the map selected, right-click to open the context menu. On some devices, you might use a two-finger click or hold Control while clicking. If you don't see the options you expect, double-check that this is a data-driven map and not a static image. From the menu, choose Edit Data. This opens a small data editor, often in an embedded Excel window. The sheet you see is the engine behind your map. It contains location names and corresponding values that determine the colors or categories displayed on your slide. Update the data, labels, or values to fit your needs. Keep location names consistent with recognized geography, avoid extra spaces, and make sure numbers are entered as numeric values so the map can read them. As you type, the slide updates automatically. If it doesn't refresh right away, click back on the slide or press Enter to commit the change. You can close the data editor when you're done. Your edits will remain linked to the map. Note that Edit Data is available for data-driven map charts. If your map is a picture or a group of shapes, the option won't appear. Features can also vary depending on your PowerPoint version and the type of map you used. When you're happy with the results, save your presentation to preserve your updates. Consider using Save, as if you want to keep a copy of the original. Practice this process regularly to build confidence and create more engaging, data-backed presentations. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more PowerPoint tips and tutorials.